Gastonia right now. What's going on, guys? We're back out here. Well, we're back out at the track. We're at Willsboro Dragway for no prep, and we are going to, for some reason they prepped the track, and then later on they're going to be doing a no prep style, so they stopped prepping the track after 5 o'clock, which makes absolutely no sense to me. And they're going to be doing flashlight start. So right now we're about to go put Stumpy's car in the lanes and do some test hits. We're going to do about 2 test hits, and his mom has a CT5 Blackwing, which I'm going to be driving in the daily driver class. So I'm going to be driving 2 cars today. Might be 2 videos, 2 separate videos, maybe not, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we can put some people on the trailer back on the street and do work. Alright guys, we're in the CT5 now. I'm gonna make my first test hit. See how it goes. Alright guys, so first hit I made in Stumpy's car. I guess whenever they took the transmission out to fix it, because my man broke it. He broke second gear in the other trans last weekend, and when they lowered the motor, it hit the upper radiator hose and it uncalibrated the TPS and knocked the TPS sensor back, so it threw a TPS sensor code. So I fixed the TPS, recalibrated it, and now we're about to go up there and make another hit. CT5 spun like hell out the hole, and then I was out of the groove also, and also it was hitting the traction control on the burnout box for some reason, so I got to figure out how to turn it all the way off, which would probably be a terrible idea, but yeah, good thing at the same time. So maybe I'll just go around the water box the next time. Yeah, and we're gonna lower the tire pressure too, because I didn't realize tire pressure was like 36. So we'll figure it out. We're working on it, and then after I make it hit Stumpy's car, we need to put the fan on your mom's car.
Blower?
No, just put it through the front bumper. Yeah. Cars are out here flying, so about to go make another hit in Stumpy's car, and I'll check back in with you guys. guys, so that last hit, we ain't got no transmission fell smooth the fuck out. It's like, nah, I broke second gear, but somebody's on the way back with the backup trans. Broke second gear right there. You see it's from Gastonia right now, and we're gonna swap the bell housing on the other trans out because the input shaft canoodle is all fucked up. So we're gonna use this bell housing on the other trans, and then we're gonna put it back in there. And I'm not gonna watt the 1-2, and I'm gonna take some boost out of the second gear, and hopefully the next trans lives a good, happy life. If not, we're gonna be doing this again. But hopefully it's gonna be a dog box next time. First round, unfortunately, so we're probably gonna be loading this shit back on the trailer after I just fixed the trans. But he just agreed to give me the hit, and hopefully we get out on his ass and he fumbles some shit. pretty much dark skies, and it started drizzling, and we looked at the forecast and there's a pretty heavy storm coming towards here. I did get put out first round by this guy right here. You know, should boycott sport front-wheel drive cars and front-wheel drive shootout. But anyway, we gave it a good old college try. He gave me a healthy hit. It was actually a pretty good race. Got an end car from his car, so you guys will get to see, experience that, what it's like to go 6 souls in the 8th in a front-wheel drive car on a no prep. And what happened today, Stumpy? What did we accomplish?
We are 1 for 1. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all y'all need to know.
do it.
What?
Do the glasses thing.
1 for 1, baby.
Oh my god.
Anyways, boy, Phil made a good third hit.
Yeah,
First
we made a
hit,
good
no.
third hit. First hit,
No.
not unsuccessful.
Second gear,
Second hit,
there was no success. Not even
the
word
second
success,
hit,
no
the
success.
second gear left the track. So
Anyways,
we pretty much
so we're gonna
pulled
do
the trans out, rebuilt it, and put it back in an hour and a half just to make the front wheel drive shootout. And then
hey, all I gotta say is next video of this car is gonna be on fire. That's all I gotta say.
Let's hope
Hopefully
it's not
on
it's
fire.
not literally
but
on
the video
fire,
is
but
gonna be fire.
yeah.
About to do a datpiv.com mixtape.
Oh my god. Mr. All-Wheel Drive, what up?
Hey, I do have a shout out. My one sponsor I have, Jack Spaniel.
Shout out Jack Spaniel.
Jack Spaniel.
We got a pretty good video coming up with collab on Jack Spaniel with Stumpy's car. We're gonna be testing out some intake manifolds and stuff, so stay tuned for that. We're going to Rockingham next weekend.
I mean, if you're not gonna be down here, the manifold's gonna be here Monday, and you probably want the video by this week.
Well, we told him that we were gonna go to the track 2 weeks.
Yeah. What do you think, Nick? Miguel Miguel's saying he's dropping fuel pressure.
Dropping the fuel pressure.
Yeah, his car dropping fuel pressure.
Oh.
Right
Well,
now, he said he can't go past 20 pounds.
Yeah. Well, we also gotta figure out the boost control and the speed sensor issue, because right now it's like when you're in second gear, it's saying it's in third gear. When you hit third gear, it's saying it's in fifth gear, so it skips 2 gears. It doesn't even recognize first gear.
Hey, we got that new mixtape, BKP.
Why are you driving? It's your car, right?
Huh?
It's your car, right?
Why?
Why are you not driving?
He asked to drop it.
You brake first if you drove, I guess.
No, I don't.
Nah.
I've never broken.
It would have broke if he wadded the 1-2. It would have broke.
Yeah, I saw broke the last one.
You about 350, right?
Huh?
You about 350, right?
350.
Pounds.
No. Like 305.
Well, that's 350 in
Like
there.
305.
Yeah, you like 305.
To your city like
305
Drake.
come
To
alive.
your city like Drake.
Yeah.
Miguel's 300, so that's good.
I was gonna say it. I'm in a heavy car.
So we gotta add 5 pounds to Miguel's shit or what? To make it even?
add 5 pounds. I mean,
Yeah.
can I add
Hey,
5
if y'all
pounds more
turn
boost?
Miguel's car down, it won't drop fuel
Can I
pressure.
have 5 more
That's
pounds of
true.
boost? Like I go 25, he goes 20. Will that make a difference? 25 pounds.
I mean, this
20
is
pounds?
like, you know, it's David versus Goliath.
I mean,
Come on,
Buddy's
dog.
Valkyrie-
21 pounds is 21 pounds.
Hey, Buddy's Valkyrie
If we-
costs more than my chassis.
If we get
come on.
if we get this car to hold 21 pounds, Miguel's
Hey,
fucking
all I gotta
dead.
say is
Oh.
precision
Yes.
10.7, Jack Spaniel.
Out the back
10.7.
door, Miguel's dead.
Miguel went faster already with no boost.
Bro, we went the same time on 13 pounds.
Yeah, Miguel had no coupler.
20.
He had no coupler on the turbo.
All right, dog.
You know why? Because he didn't
Alright,
have eBay couplers.
All right, dog. If he had eBay
went- he
couplers
went
and clamps, we
10-7
wouldn't have that
He had
problem.
vibrant clamps. Don't buy vibrant clamps.
Fangeans.
Jack Spaniel works. eBay, Amazon, CX Racing, no vibrant.
These 2-cent couplers over here made by.
He orders in bulk by thousands.
No, you just pay shipping.
Oh, buddy, I just got a
Just pay
box
shipping.
of clamps.
We done broke 3 of them on this car,
how
so
it
we just
goes.
keep
Over
getting
tighten them.
books.
That's how it goes.
Well, I didn't put the car together, so
So
maybe like the 5th time.
That's why you can't drive it.
Huh?
If it didn't put together, you can't
Well,
drive it.
who had a faster time on the track? Me or him?
oh my God, my man, what's that? 500s?
500s. What is that?
Hey.
You know what 500s is? How many decimals is
I can't
that?
even blink 500.
How many decimals?
500s?
Yeah.
It goes 10s, so it's the second number.
Okay,
Come on, bro.
you okay,
I
you
deal
good.
with bearings all day.
Gaston-
You don't give me some shot talk.
My man said he's not a dig racer. He's a road racer.
About 30 minutes from here. From
Road racer.
Elkin.
It
Elkin.
shows.
Huh?
Shout out to Stumpy's mom, funniest mom in the world.
Big facts. Big Tandy. Tandy's Automotive. That's gonna sponsor us a 1-2 in this car. Yeah. So 1-2 coming soon. Dog engagement.
But I told Kara we're gonna put a 1-2 in here. He said, "What about the 3-4?" I said, "We'll just put like."
We'll
20.
worry about the 3-4
Worry about that
when
later.
we
We'll
get
get
there.
there.
We'll worry about it later when we break those.
Yeah.
Right now, we're just breaking the second one.
It's pretty hard to break a 3-4
Nah.
600 horsepower.
I don't know about that.
We need to take
I
about
think
600 pounds out of this car. So Stumpy,
you know.
gotta
I've
go.
been told you was taking some weight out. Hey, don't not gonna take me out the car. Ben told you.
No, we need to take some weight out the back and put it in the front.
Ben said that. We're not gonna take me out the car.
But I think what happens is the car unloads when we shift it, and then it just throws the weight back on the weight. Yeah. So if we keep the weight planning
It's
on
like
the
a
front
60-40. When I get in, it's 50-50.
There was some weight taken out of the car.
Where? The
About
back
100
seats?
pounds.
Oh, right here.
Buddy
Oh
got,
my God.
buddy
My
got
boy
me.
Rob Stumpy for his
Bro,
gas station
come on, man. I
change.
need that, bro.
JJ taught me.
My man,
Shout out
he's-
Scott Craig.
He's got to damn put that towards his dog box, my boy.
What's that gonna get? That's
You
not
robbing
even,
the dog box.
That's not
son.
gonna cover like
Maybe the tape for the box.
the
The tape for the box.
Hey, so we put 1-2 in it and we cuff it.
Yeah,
We're gonna have to cuff
We're
it.
gonna have to cover it. How about a diff?
Oh yeah.
That would help.
Z3 LSD.
How about a diff? Because we're still non-LSD.
There's a lot of shit.
I would say we take the trans out of my SI, but I kind of like that trans. So
Keep your diff in.
Yeah.
Just take the diff out.
no.
This is a lot of what here?
I mean, we got fucking brownie bites in the back.
That wasn't in there before.
No. That's a bolt box. No,
I mean, the car literally has no weight besides back.
I
It's
should
been
know
con-
Stumpy definitely ate the brownies. You're right.
it's been converted.
I ate 2 meals today. You should be proud. And it's like 7 o'clock.
Yeah, you about to eat your third cook. You about to eat a cookout tray on the way
Buddy, my
home.
double
Let's go
chin.
Texas Roadhouse.
Hey, I'm down for that.
Oh, no,
I'm
I
gonna
ate
get
that big ass
gout
burger. I
Monday, but
can't.
I'm down.
I can't do it.
Where we going? Texas Roadhouse
I'm
is down
down.
the block.
Well, I got to
I was gonna ask, you know, we got right home with who?
I got to ride home.
All right, guys, let's go end the video off. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Follow Nick All Wheel Drive in the All Wheel Drive Factory. Follow my boy Stuff Fast Racing and All Wheel Drive Cooley.
Big all-wheel drive guys hanging out.
Big fast guys hanging out.
PPG and
around
sequential,
here.
and then we got some
Hey,
stock
just
guys.
remember, I went All Wheel Drive first.
Huh? Hey, did you see how these biscuits smell? Talk about